Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. In today's video, we are going to talk about one unique and a special program that is run by MLH, which is known as MLH Fellowship, or you can consider it as a 12-week internship alternative for aspiring technologists. Basically, fellows who are going to be accepted in this program on the site reliability engineering track, you will experience what is like to work in a site reliability engineering and DevOps. So all you have to do is click on apply button and you will have to share your personal details, your resume, your codes, whatever you have contributed. All those things will be considered, and then you will be accepted into this particular program. But before we begin, understand that you have two particular batches which are coming up, right? So MLH Fellowship runs year round with batches starting every few months, right? So they offer scheduling option as well. That is the beauty of this program. Let's say you are in a different time zone. If you want to choose a time zone that you want to operate in, that is accepted here. So if you see here, we have two options. One is to go with Summer A 2024, which is going to start from May 20th till August 9th, 2024. All you have to do is be available from Monday to Friday to dedicate 20 hours per week, and that's it. If you want to apply for this particular batch, go ahead, click apply now and start ready. And if you are looking for the second batch, go with the Summer B 2024. It starts from June 17th. It runs all the way till September 6th, 2024. Same here, 20 hours per week. Apply and be in this program. So what exactly is this site reliability engineering track? So as you all know, site reliability engineering is also known as DevOps, which is one of the most in-demand skills in the current market. So it's a hybrid between software and systems engineering that works across the product and infrastructure to make sure services are reliable and scalable. In site reliability engineering track of MLH Fellowship, you will learn the skills required to keep products running. You will write code and debug hard problems. By the end of this program, they'll make sure that you will gain valuable technical skills and expertise required for a career in site reliability engineering or DevOps. Program participants will gain practical skills. They have a beautiful educational content from Linux Foundation training and certification. Basically, you will get access to LFS2 201 Essentials of System Administration training course from Linux Foundation. So it covers how to administer, configure and upgrade Linux systems along with the tools and concepts necessary to efficiently build and manage a production Linux infrastructure. So you will get basically everything that is required to launch your career in DevOps or SRE. If you want curriculum, they have the excellent educational curriculum. As I mentioned, you will get access to Linux Foundation. They are the best in the class. It is remote. It is completely remote. You don't have to be available on site. You will be only few people will be accepted into this program. I think so far they have only accepted 500 plus candidates, or they are also known as MLH fellows. So you can think about the dignity these programs that brings in, right? So you will have only 10 other fellows that will be collaborating with you. So if you get accepted into this particular program, you will also get technical mentorship. As I mentioned, you will be working on real world projects, and you will also get the technical mentorship that are closely associated with MLH. You will also be working on extracurricular activities. Trust me, it will be fun, and educational events will be organized as well. You will gain the hands-on experience with real world projects. You'll also get career training along the side. So The cool thing is you will also be getting educational stipend. So participants on this particular program will receive an educational stipend to offset costs during selected programs. So if you ask me how does a schedule look like for this particular program, it is really simple. If you see here, you should be available between Monday to Friday, and you can choose the time zone while you are applying for this program itself. If you see 10 a.m. will be your daily stand-up, then you will start pairing up for your programming session. Then if there is any invited speakers, they will come and transfer their knowledge. Next, you take a break for lunch, have some practical curriculum all the way, and then you will be contributing to your particular project, and the code review is being done at 5 p.m. and that's it. Like, it's pretty simple. And if you're asking me what is this program and how it has helped other students, go check their testimonials. It is one of the best in class, I would say. And you can get all these program details here on this particular site. I'll make sure to add the link to this in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out. And if you see here, so far only 500 plus program graduates are there, and across 30 plus countries, and non-CS majors are 50%, right? So that is important of this particular program. Now let's talk about the program eligibility. Make sure to check this program eligibility before applying. So you should be over the age of 18. You should be ready to commit your 20 hours per week for this particular program for next 12 weeks if you are getting accepted. You should be good in English communication. That is the least thing that we can get. And the time zone, you should be able to dedicate yourself and be up on ET or PT time zones. Locations, you are a citizen or a permanent resident of United States, Canada, or Mexico. You should be able to code proficiently in at least one programming language. There are a couple of programming languages that they have. You should be at least proficient with one programming, whether it can be a C, C++, Java, Python, anything. You should be able to have a good internet facility along with a video facility for your video calls. And education, currently this program is open to both current and non-students with any educational background. Even if you're coming from a commerce background, even if you're a non-engineering background, you will have a chance to be accepted in this particular program. Now let's talk about the application process. The application process is really straightforward. First, you will have to submit your application through this particular apply now button. Once you apply, there will be a review of your application that will be conducted by the MLH team. And if they consider your application, they will be scheduling your interviews. Once you have the interviews with the program coordinators, once it is done, you will be finally enrolled into this amazing MLH fellowship program. Now, are you ready to level up? So if you are ready, please go ahead, apply today to be considered for this upcoming start dates. Alright, that's it I had for this video. I think you have gained a valuable insight on this particular program called MLH Fellowship for Site Reliability Engineers. If you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.